Hey there, and welcome to another exciting video where I'll be reviewing the new AKB75375604 remote control designed specifically for LG Smart TVs. If you're tired of dealing with a clutter of wires and cables, then this wireless remote control is the perfect solution for you. With its infrared technology, you can now communicate with your LG Smart TV seamlessly and without any hassle. And with a frequency of 433 MHz, you can rely on the accuracy and reliability of this remote control for all your TV needs. This remote control is built to be user-friendly, with support for a single TV channel, making it easy and convenient to use without any confusion. And the best part? It requires no programming at all, just pop in the batteries and you're good to go. Plus, with the package including everything you need to get started, you can start enjoying the convenience of this remote control right away. But that's not all. The compatibility of this remote control is extensive, working with a wide range of LG Smart TVs, including models like 43 UK6300 PU, 32 LK610 BPUA, 49 UK6300 PU, and 55 UK6300 PU. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, brand new material, and 100% testing before shipping, you can be confident in the quality and performance of this remote control. And the best part? If you encounter any problems or concerns with your order, our customer service team is here to assist you and provide a hassle-free experience. So don't hesitate, click the link in the description to get your new AKB75375604 remote control for LG Smart TVs today and take your TV watching experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful.